Good morning, this is Jack from theartofchart.net, and this is the pre-market recording for Friday the 29th of June. Our disclaimer: we do this for educational purposes only. We're here to share our technical analysis with you. We hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. We're not here to issue trading signals. A couple of things today to take note of. One, it is the last day of the month. Next week is a holiday week. That leans bullish for next week. It doesn't lean particularly bearish for today because we're just before a holiday weekend. But generally speaking, if you're going to see any bearish action, the last day of the month isn't a bad day to see that. So a couple of other things. Obviously, we've got our annual sale on sale for annuals on at the moment. This is our July 4th sale. I think that runs through till Tuesday night. And while that is running, you can get an annual for the price of 8 months. So just worth noting if you're interested in that, then that's on at the moment, but it's only running till Tuesday, and there's not going to be another sale for at least 6 months, I don't think. Right. Oh, and one last thing, obviously, as always, not all of you will be aware of this, but obviously for existing subscribers with continuous subscriptions, we never actually raise prices, so a price you can get on sale is your price for the remainder of your time subscribing. Okay, let's start with ES. Now, has ES broken up? Very possibly yes. The low is very possibly in. This trend line here is looking pretty good. I have drawn in a possible alternate here, which is the resistance trend line if this is turning into a channel. It's a maybe. As I said, this is the last day of the month. It is possible we're going to see some downside today, so that could be a retest. Although I would note, if we are breaking up, that we already have a viable double bottom here, and that on a sustained break over 2750, we would be heading straight back to the highs. That obviously probably wouldn't happen today, but it would happen probably over the next few days. And then the target for this move within the next couple of months or so would be a retest of the all-time high on SPX. So this should be a significant low that we've been putting in. Right, NQ. NQ, we've got, again, a potential double bottom here. Again, that would take us straight back to these previous highs here, June highs. Obviously, there's no further target to the ATH. That is the ATH, but we'd be expecting to go higher. This is a nice falling wedge. We've broken over resistance. We've back tested it as broken resistance as support. This is looking fairly bullish, actually. I'm leaning bullish on this one, on this setup. So my feeling is the low is probably in, but the bears may surprise us today. We shall see. Let's have a quick look at the assorted RTX charts. Let's have a look at the SPX 60-minute. 60-minute, obviously the RSI setup is breaking up. We do have some resistance here at the 50-hour moving average, and that's in the 2737 area at the moment, and I'll be watching that for resistance. That would be probably the equivalent to about 2743 on ES, and obviously nice double bottom setup if we go. And we haven't actually had a 60-minute buy signal fixed. We're not that far away from it either. We shall see. NDX, again, another 60-minute buy signal brewing. We closed yesterday at the test of declining resistance. So this is a nice three-touch resistance trend line. Unless something fairly radical happens over the half an hour or so till the market opens, we're likely to see a break over this at the open. So watching for that break and on that break, and that'll probably fix the buy signal as well. When that happens, chances are the low is in. So we'll see how that goes. All right, RUT hasn't got... one reason I was thinking yesterday we might go low is that RUT, we don't have the same sort of pattern. We have the nice pattern set up here, nice falling wedge, underthrowing, bullishly, break over here, looks up, but we don't have any positive divergence here. So I was expecting to see that too, but sometimes you get these things, sometimes you don't. All right, let's have a look at CL.